Doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use ActivTrak as a beginner. ActivTrak is one of the best time management platforms for businesses. As with ActivTrak, you'll be able to not only monitor your workers' productivity, whether remotely or in office, but you'll also be able to set up idle time, and you'll also be able to spot any burnouts or disengagements. So this makes it a very good platform whether you're a boss or a project manager or whether you're an employee. So with ActivTrak, all you'll need to do is go onto their website, which is activetrak.com, and then from there you can create a free account and you'll be able to see how their platform works. So what I did was I tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Keep in mind that you'll need a business email address to sign up. Once you have created your account, you'll be led to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll now be prompted to download or better yet install their software. Once you have installed their software, this is how your dashboard will look. So you can install the software on the devices that you plan on monitoring. You can also invite team members real quick after you have installed the software on your device by tapping on Invite Team Members. From here, you'll be able to input the team member name, as you can see here, an email address. Then you'll be able to send it out. After you have done that, all I want you to do next, you are going to go back onto Home and tap on Admin Panel. Now, after you have added your team members, you can also choose to create or import a group. With ActivTrak, you'll be able to set up alarms. So for example, let's say you would like to create an alarm for activity, as you can see right here. So with their activity alarm, it will be triggered by a flexible combination of conditions and allow you to generate emails or screenshots or webhooks and pop-up messages, so you can terminate a related application. So let's say, for example, you'd like to stop persons from going onto social media during their work hours. You can do that with the activity alarm. And you can also take screenshots if you want, and I will be showing you the section in which you'll be able to find screenshots. And let's say your work environment, you are working with some sensitive content and you don't want persons to be able to download it on a USB. You can set up USB alarms, as you can see right here. You can also set up a security audit. But all of these features that I've shown you, these 3 features, you will need to go on their paid plan to get access to it. So you can see right here, you'll be able to toggle on whichever one of these new alarms that you would like to use. So that is a major plus when it comes on to ActivTrak. You will also be able to create a goal, so you could tap on Create a Goal. And from here, you can create different goals that you would like to achieve, different productivity goals and engagement goals and so on. And if you were to scroll across, you could create an alias if you want. Now, when it comes on to their other features, majority of these features you'll need to be on their paid plan. So with the free plan, you're only able to basically browse their platform. You're not really able to get full access. So this is how their platform looks at the moment, or your dashboard will look. So you'll be able to see the members that are active at the moment, who are passive, and who is inactive. So you can monitor everyone right here. You can also tap on Team Management from the left-hand menu option. And from here, you'll be able to monitor their activity, their productivity, and you can see their trends and so on. And if I were to tap on the activity dashboard, you'll get a better overview of it right here. Now, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and for example, tap on Team Pulse. So this is where you're going to see all of the users right here. You can also use their coaching platform. But again, majority of these features, you'll need to be on their paid plan. So as you can see right there, insights features, you will need to be on their paid plan and so on. But when it comes on to, let's scroll down real quick, and I'll be showing you where you can find the screenshots and so on. So you can also set up scheduling right here. You can also tap on blocking, and from here you could block a particular computer or a domain or so on if you want. And you can see the notification. You could set it up so that you get notifications and so on. With ActivTrak, there's also a feature that I want to mention. Once you go onto their paid plan, so if I were to tap over here on upgrade 14 days left, let me show you some features that you'll get access to. So you can see right here, you'll get real-time activity report, offline meeting via Calendar Connect. You can get their alarms and notification access. And if we were to go up, let me go back. If we were to go over to their professional plan, so let's do that real quick. So you can see right here, you have even more features. With their professional plan, you'll also get the offline meeting via calendar integration. You'll get the activity calendar, the mouse jiggle detection, and numerous other features as you can see here. Workload balance, collaboration analysis, and you can also scroll down, burnout risk detection, and so much more as you can see right here. So if you're looking for a platform that will help to increase your team's productivity while not being too intrusive and also beginner friendly and easy to use if you're not tech savvy as a boss, this is the perfect platform for you. And it is also affordable compared to other platforms that tend to offer the same feature. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.